Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna be talking about a coin that potentially by the end of the year you will be able to make more than 100% return on it. I'm very excited about this coin, so let's dive in. We're gonna do technical analysis. We're gonna put what our entries when our exits, so stand till the end so you know the whole shebang. Okay, let's jump into it. Alright, so this coin, as you already probably seen from the intro, the title, it's SXP, Swipe, and this coin had a huge explosion, and the way you see we've been in a pretty strong downtrend since then. Let me put it from here. So we've been going on a downtrend. It looked like it's still a little bit weak, but I'm already at the point that I'm looking to start accumulating it. And I know it is scary. You see such a huge dump and you're thinking, okay, how far will it go? So from what we can see on the charts, our support that we're probably going to be reaching here is going to be at around $38, $40. So I have my entry here, and for example, if you have $1,000 to invest, don't throw the whole $1,000 right at one point, because if we're going to be breaking this level, we might be still continue going to the next level. If we continue in the downtrend, the coin continue being weakened. So if we see it's going to break this level, we're probably going to be going down. And next level of support, we see we're about 91 cents. So, and the last level, I think we shouldn't be going any lower than that unless there's something crazy major gonna happen. But the last level, I would say, is gonna be around the 60 cents. That's about where the coin start from what we see of the history of the coin. And you see there was a lot of, well, not too much, but there was some time of just trading sideways, of accumulation going on. So about 6 days before it just mooned. So this is probably, I'm seeing, the last pit stop for now, unless again some crazy happens. So what is the strategy if you're not a day trader, that you're not sitting and following on a daily? You can just put, like I said, if you have, let's say, $1,000, you can execute here $300, here $300, and here, let's say, $400 if you get to that point. Everything I'm sharing in this video, it's not a financial advice. It's just what I'm personally doing, my own analysis. Make sure to do your own research, your own analysis before you're making any trades. And even if you just buy in this spot and the coin bounce out of our support and it start going up, so where are we gonna be going from here? So if you just bought at this spot, I'm gonna be putting now the take profits, where I'm gonna be slowly taking profit. Again, we're not gonna be taking profits just one time. You want to be taking profits in steps, because you don't know how far the coin will go. It might get to our take profit 1 and have a big correction again, which at that point you'll be able to sell and get in at a better price again. So for example, here around this area gonna be our first take profit, that this is gonna be 133%, and I'm pretty sure that this coin gonna get there before end of the year. So we're gonna see, but let me put our take profits. So the first one, as we see, this was our resistance. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one at $3.26 as our first take profit. This is gonna be our second take profit at almost $4. It's probably gonna reach 4. I'm not gonna be waiting that far, because sometimes it might just not reach exactly the round amount and start pulling back. And my third take profit gonna be at, again, I'm not gonna be going all the way to $5. I'm not that greedy. And from experience, sometimes you put right at the level and eventually it's you miss it by 0.5% and then it goes down. So I learned my lessons. I'll just take the profit where it's comfortable, before it's going to be start going down. So these are the levels that I'm seeing. This one I'm pretty positive we're going to reach it before end of the year. Again, unless there's something major going to be happening in the stock market, if we're going to be seeing big crash in gold, if the dollar is suddenly going to start shooting up. So there's a chance that this price is going to go even lower than this support, and it's going to go pretty much basically to the price we started off with this coin. And this is just a great areas to start accumulating. I know it's a little bit scary to look, oh wow, look where we've been. Since this coin exploded, it went 700%. It's crazy. And the people that risk buying this coin that they didn't knew much about it, they made very, very great returns. And if you're gonna be buying here at this level, and to the top, you're still gonna be making 250% return, which is great. And if you're gonna be averaging your position, and let's say you will be able to execute at all these three areas, so your profit gonna be even greater. So let's say if we're gonna take, that's gonna be our middle. If you execute 3, you're in about 400% profit. So this coin has a great potential to make explosive gains in a very short time, because if we see from the time that this coin, that the history that we have from this coin, it was 225 bars, so it's 4-hour time frame. Well, I'm not going to be doing that calculation. let's jump to the daily chart, and it will be a little bit easier to see how long that took. Okay, so it took 38 days. 38 days that people were able to make 6-7 times of their money. This is nothing. This is ridiculous. And like I'm saying, it is to some people it is a little bit scary to buy at these kind of levels. And as we can tell, we're still slowly pulling down. If we're gonna see on, again, I'll go back to the daily. Our moving averages, the 51, the EMA 50, it's not too long because there's not such a long history. As we see, we're in downtrend. The price ran away from our moving averages. It came back to it. It touched the 20 EMA, bounce off it, and continue going down. So now again, we're slowly running away. So I'm not sure how far we're going to be going. But what I'm going to show you that I'm putting my money where my mouth is. If you see, this is my executions that I'm about to do. I'm just waiting until the price reach my target. And like I said, I showing here that the first level where I think it should be heading, it's $1.38. I'm not gonna be waiting that long. I put my buy order at 140. I'm totally fine with it. My next order at 95 cents. And then I'm gonna be seeing what's going on in this area. If we're gonna even get to that area, if we will, and I see we're changing trend and we're gonna be starting going upside, I'm gonna accumulate a little bit more before we reach this 60 cents. So I'm thinking if we're gonna reach the 90 cents and we're gonna start changing our, we're gonna be resuming the uptrend, I'm gonna be accumulating more, because again, you see the potential, the upside of where it can go, and it's already corrected massively. If we're gonna open our Fibonacci from our lowest point, from where is the coin started to where we are now, let me make it a little bit brighter so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, so the coin from the top, the price retraced to 0.786%, which we can see a lot of coins have this kind of cycle. They retrace to that spot and then they resume their uptrend. So yeah, we already touched it. So I'm just waiting for it to go a little bit lower at $1.38, $1.40 where I put. So I just need a little bit more until it's gonna execute my my order. And again, if I'm seeing that we're about to break this trend and we are breaking it and we're gonna be start moving upside, so I'm just gonna enter a little bit earlier. But now I'm on the fence. I don't want to enter yet until I kind of get confirmation. Okay, we are no longer in downtrend. We're gonna be going up. And as well, if I'm seeing that it's trying to break it up and it really struggles and it's continued down, maybe I'm gonna move my buying order a little bit lower. So me, as I have more time and most of what I'm doing is sitting on the charts, so I have the time, the flexibility to move it around. For people that they don't really have that luxury, and so you can just put few entries, leave it alone, and come back, like I said, by the end of the year and see great profits. So that's it for now. That's all I wanted to share about this coin. Make sure you subscribe, like the video. We're gonna be making more coins. I'm gonna be talking about more coins, so you don't want to miss anything. Click this bell button, so then you will see all our videos as soon as they come out. That's it for now. Have a great day. Adios.